Why do farmers roll the field after seeding?
I hope JJ will be happy that I've attached the roller.
Perfect. Now it's time to roll the field, Fluffy. Let's go, Big Red. Time to roll the soil.
But why do farmers roll the field?
Good question, Big Red. Let me explain. Farmers roll the field to press the soil around the seeds. This helps the seeds stay in place and get good contact with the soil. And that helps the seeds start growing.
I need a little break, JJ. This is hard work. Ready?
Yep, let's finish before it gets dark, Big Red.
It looks really good. JJ.
Look at the big difference before and after rolling the field.
So, what's next, JJ?
Now we just have to wait for the grass to grow. But I think we did a really good job, Big Red. See you tomorrow, Big Red. Good night. See you tomorrow.